All right, now that we have our 3D printer out of the box, let's set it up. First thing first, make sure your workspace is away from direct sunlight. Resin cures with UV light. That means that if you accidentally expose to sunlight, it may affect the curing process and therefore the final restoration. This is not a problem during printing, since the resin is inside of the capsule, but there could be light exposure during cleaning after printing. My advice, clean and cure your restoration right after printing so you avoid any accidental exposure to the sunlight. I have already placed the capsule template. So now I just need to plug it in and turn on. It's really easy to connect to the Wi-Fi. Just click on Settings, Connectivity, and then select your network. And then, can you see this red icon in here? That's remind me that I haven't connected to my Straumann Access account. To do that, just click on that icon and then use your phone to scan the QR code. Now I have my printer connected. All that's left is to set up the NanoCure.